I bought this lens secondhand. Oh my god, this is actually my new lens. That's not good. Okay. It's crazy. I'm a little nervous, but also very happy that I'm recording once again a YouTube video. It's been quite a while. Yeah, but first, hi and welcome to this new video. I'm sorry I didn't upload for such a long time. Yeah, I tend to get way too far into my head, to overthink everything, to focus on everything that isn't good about the stuff I create instead of looking at the things that are good. And that can be very, very demotivating. I didn't even know if that's the word, but yeah. And I'm really happy to start over or to continue, and I hope that I can find a way to handle that better. And now you probably clicked on this video because you want to see how I unbox my new lens. I bought a Sony 200 to 600 telephoto lens, and I'm very excited about it. One thing, did you see the new intro? Did you notice that? I had quite a lot of fun doing it. And now to the unboxing. I bought this lens secondhand, and I think it's a great way to save money because it's obviously cheaper to buy a used lens instead of a new one. And I went to this guy who sold it to me, and I thought like he would have it all packed up and maybe even in a bag, but he actually had to like open up or present it on his table. He wanted to make sure that everything is fine and great, and he was even like, you want to test it out that everything is fine? And it was like inside, no, I want to do an unboxing. Oh. Let's just put it back inside as quickly as I can. And how can I say that? I really made an effort to notice as little as possible of this lens. The only thing that I noticed already is that it's quite heavy, but yeah, well, I knew that. So walking home yesterday and carrying this lens in my bag, I was like, oh, okay. It's quite, ein Gewicht. How do you say that? It's quite heavy. And I was so happy walking home because I've dreamed and thought about this lens for a pretty long time. And then it was like, so cool. Now I gotta have it. Okay, and now you've waited already way too long. It's always like this with me. I like to talk. I'll fetch the lens and we'll open it up all together. So here you can see it's not packed up perfectly. The guy didn't know how to put it in back in all that it fitted, and I didn't want to spend like half an hour to find the perfect way, because then I would have like just spent too much time already looking at the lens and noticing everything, and I didn't want to do that. So that's how it is. I just want to be honest with you. Yeah, that's just cardboard from inside. This one here, the guy told me that it's usually inside the box. So the lens is usually in here, and it's all inside the box. Yeah, we'll have a closer look at that later, because the really exciting thing is in here. I actually recorded 10 minutes without pressing on again on record. What a great unboxing! Ah! Okay, but luckily I haven't taken out the lens yet, so I've set up again this table and have a second camera angle over there. Now it's the only thing in this box is, yeah, it's just very, very big. No idea how I'm gonna do that exactly, but yeah, let's just open it up. I already forgot or didn't think about it anymore in this video. In this offer where I bought it, there were also like this, I don't know how you call it in English. Is it also neoprene? There's one that is a bit broken here. I don't know if you can see that. But I was like, okay, these things cost about 200 bucks. And here I've just got it with the lens. Back up with this one here. So here are like two things of the cardboard box that can flip out like that. For US customers only. Yeah, I'm not from the US. There's like a note, something written on there. Okay, now it worked out. This one here, I don't know how you call that, just to protect everything inside. Well, we'll put that over there. What is it? Oh, I already thought there was missing stuff, but it wasn't. Okay, I first look at everything else because when I have the lens, then I don't stop anymore for all the other things. Here's like this tiny little notes, or I don't know, papers, folded paper with all information about the lens. And here on the side, oh, there's a strap. And it looks like it's never been used, or it's been packed up very, very well. Okay, hang on a second. We want to make this nice for you to look. So you want to use this table, or I want to use it. I'm honest, I didn't know if I'll use that, but maybe. So yeah, it's just like all the Sony straps. It's written on Sony, there is the orange mark here. I just really hope that it's gonna record. So, now is the moment, the epic moment. Oh, are you ready? I'm not sure if I'm ready. I'm procrastinating. Okay, enough. Oh my god. Whoa! Oh my god, this is actually my new lens. Oh my god, okay. Oh, let's have a closer look together. Oh my god. Oh, I'm pretty sure that this camera over there can't even record the whole height of this lens, so I'll just put it down. So, oh wow, we need to be careful here. Here's like a little mark of use here. I'm very happy this offer, or this lens that I bought now secondhand, the previous owners took really, really care. And that's something that is important for me. Can you see this lens cap, how big it is? I know it's not my face, and it's not as big as my face, but it's actually really, really big if you see it compared to my face, right? This one here is from the 200 to 600. It's crazy, right? I read that sometimes, like this lens hood doesn't attach properly, and that you won't hear the click, the sound. And here we got it, so it's good. Okay, I just wanted to attach the lens hood on this side, because now we have like the whole length of the lens. It's crazy. It's really big, but actually I felt like it would be even bigger. It's crazy, I still can't believe it. I really still can't believe it, that that's the lens. Oh, that's so nice. Like the G here. So we have the zoom ring here. Ah, right, that's special about this lens. We have the zoom ring closer to the front and the focus ring closer to the back. So here we have 600, and here 200. Oh, it's very smooth. That's great. Here are the customizable buttons. Yes, one on the top, sword ends, on the side and on the bottom. There's something, I don't know, maybe you're different, but this stuff here, that's not matching. I need to adjust that. Let's see how this works. Okay, like this. Now can I turn it around? No. Ah, there's like a safety button. So we've opened up the screw and there is like a button down here. I don't know. Can you see that? Inside here, there's like a button. Now I need to press that and then I can... Wow! That's really good. Ah, I could have left it on because you can just unscrew this one and then you can turn it around. So now we're going to align these two. Okay, now to put it back on. Yeah. And now we screw it back on. It's a great system. And it's also great to hold the lens. A few switches here are similar or the same, like on the 70 to 200 that I already have. So we have like the AF and MF switch. I'll have it on autofocus. Now, there are 3 switches for the focus range, so you can tell the lens where you want to set focus. And 2.4 meters, I think it's the closest the lens can focus on, right? Yeah, that's written here. Optical steady shot, I'll leave that on. There's 3 modes down here. There is the mode 1, 2 and 3. And I've made a screenshot of these 3 modes because I can't memorize them. And they're actually very useful. Okay, now I want to put the stuff on, but I'm not sure that I'm going to like it. Oh yeah, I feel like the cushioning effect. It's gonna be a great protection for the lens as well. That's the lens with the coat on it, with the coat on. And I must say I'm pretty disappointed by this coat, because in my opinion it doesn't look good at all. Maybe I've done it all wrong. That's possible. But I don't know how I would put it on another way. The broken part here doesn't even bother me that much. That would be fine if the rest would suit the lens well. There's like a plastic here, so I can't really change the switch. If I'm trying, I'm switching or I'm pushing the coat off. I'm gonna take back off everything. Back to the original state. The lens is naked again. And now the last thing, and I'm pretty excited for that one. I need to turn around the lens hood here. Okay, good. Okay, I'll blend in right now the first shots that I took with this lens. Thanks a lot for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!